Ewan ko kung na-notice niyo, pero when it comes to relationship or situation, palagi na lang tayo nag-o-obsess doon sa mga taong inconsistent. Yung meron namang consistent na tao, nagre-reply kaagad sa'yo, binibigyan ka ng atensyon, pero that doesn't really, trigger your craving. Kasi you're more drawn and you're more obsessed to the type of people who cannot give you consistency. Yung patigitigilan yung binibigay. Yung mga breadcrumbs lang. Just enough for you to be hooked. Why is that? In this type of dynamic, hindi mo kasi nakukuha yung full picture. So what it does to your brain is that it leaves this room for a gap to where you would normally think of the possibilities. You're being drawn because you're trying to fill in the gap. You want to paint a picture kung ano tong taong to and not the reality of this person, not the red flags, the inconsistencies. The more that they give you inconsistency, the more that you crave them. Katulad ng sugal, 'di ba? Pag nananalo ka palagi siguro sa sugal, expected, 'di ba? Pero what really drives you to go to that and continue on is because pwedeng manalo ka today, and then pag nanalo ka ng grand today, hahanap-hanapin mo yan. So you keep on playing up until when ka ulit mananalo. Be careful sa mga taong ganito. Because most of the time, these people, they know who they are. They know how to manipulate and they know how to control in order for you to be hooked so that you can give them what they want. Like self-validation, to boost their ego. Sinong talo dito sa ganitong dynamic? Ikaw. Kasi you are obsessing over this person who doesn't even care about you or doesn't even care kung ano mo yung ginagawa mo araw-araw. Ikaw, nagkakadurukay ka na kung anong iniisip mo, ba't hindi ka chinat, siya, parang wala lang. So think again. Think again.